Hello children, welcome to the SST class of 3rd standard. Today is the 4th day of chapter 4, India Political Divisions. In the previous class we had learnt about the climate, landform, rivers and visiting places of northern states. Let's take the feedback through cross questions. Name the rivers that flow through Uttar Pradesh. What is the landform of Punjab? Name the tourist places of Bihar. What is the climate of Uttarakhand? In which state Golden Temple is located? Which state is called the land of 5 rivers? Children, I hope you are able to answer these questions. Now I am going to discuss eastern states with their capitals and their neighboring states. There are 4 eastern states: Sikkim, West Bengal, Jharkhand, Odisha. Now let's discuss the capital and the neighboring states of these eastern states. Sikkim. Sikkim is the least populous and second smallest state among the Indian states. Its capital is Gangtok. It shares its boundary with West Bengal. The next state is West Bengal. West Bengal is located in the eastern part of the country. Its capital is Kolkata. West Bengal shares its boundary with Sikkim, Odisha, Jharkhand and Bihar. The next state is Jharkhand. Jharkhand is a state in eastern India. It is known for its waterfalls, hills and holy places. Its capital is Ranchi. It shares its boundary with Bihar, West Bengal, Odisha, Chhattisgarh and Uttar Pradesh. The next state is Odisha. Odisha, an eastern Indian state on the Bay of Bengal, is known for its tribal culture and many ancient Hindu temples. The capital of Odisha is Bhubaneswar. Odisha shares its boundary with Jharkhand, West Bengal, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana and Chhattisgarh. Now children, let's discuss these eastern states with the help of a chart. Number 1. Sikkim. The capital of Sikkim is Gangtok. Its neighboring state is West Bengal. Number 2. West Bengal. The capital of West Bengal is Kolkata. Its neighboring states are Sikkim, Bihar, Jharkhand and Odisha. Number 3. Odisha. The capital of Odisha is Bhubaneswar and its neighboring states are West Bengal, Jharkhand and Andhra Pradesh. Number 4 is Jharkhand. The capital of Jharkhand is Ranchi. Its neighboring states are Bihar, West Bengal, Odisha. Now children, let's discuss the landform, climate, rivers and tourist places of eastern states. Sikkim. Sikkim is located in the eastern Himalayas. So the landform of Sikkim is hilly and its climate is pleasant in summer and very cold in winter. The river that flows through Sikkim is Brahmaputra. The visiting places of Sikkim are Gangtok, Pelling, Nathula Pass, etc. The next state is West Bengal. The northern part of West Bengal is hilly and the south is delta. The climate of West Bengal is hot and humid. The river that flows through West Bengal is Hooghly. The visiting places of West Bengal are Sundarbans National Park, Howrah Bridge, Victoria Memorial, Shantivan, etc. The next state is Odisha. Children, the eastern part of Odisha is plain and fertile and the rest part is plateau. The climate of Odisha is hot and humid. Mahanadi is the largest river of Odisha. The visiting places of Odisha are Jagannath Temple in Puri, Bhubaneswar, Sun Temple, etc. The next state is Jharkhand. The landform of Jharkhand is plateau. The climate of Jharkhand is hot in summer and cold in winter. The river that flows through Jharkhand is Damodar. The visiting places of Jharkhand are Ranchi, Hazaribagh, etc. Now children, let's discuss these eastern states through a chart. Number 1. Sikkim. Landform hilly and the climate pleasant in summer and very cold in winter. The river of Sikkim is Brahmaputra. The visiting places of Sikkim are Gangtok, Pelling, Nathula Pass, etc. Number 2. West Bengal. Northern part is hilly and south is delta. The climate of West Bengal is hot and humid and the river that flows through West Bengal is Hooghly. Tourist places are Kolkata, Howrah Bridge, etc. Number 3. Odisha. The eastern part of Odisha is plain and fertile and the rest part is plateau. The climate of Odisha is hot and humid and the river that flows through Odisha is Mahanadi, which is the largest river of this state. And the tourist places of Odisha are Bhubaneswar, Sun Temple, etc. Number 4. Jharkhand. The landform of Jharkhand is plateau and its climate is hot in summer and cold in winter. The river that flows through Jharkhand is Damodar. The tourist places are Ranchi, Hazaribagh, etc. Now children, I hope this topic is clear to you. Now your homework is to revise all the eastern states with their capitals, neighboring states, landform, climate, rivers and tourist places.